Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix voice to text missing and not working on iPhone. So if you want to test using your voice on your iPhone, and then you discover that the voice to text is missing here, then here's a video for you. I'm going to walk you through how you'll be able to fix this on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to fix voice to text missing and not working on your iPhone, I just need to just go ahead and open the iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Under General, you want to scroll down the page, locate and click on Keyboard. Now, once you selected Keyboard, scroll down, go to Dictation and make sure you enable Dictation. Then you should see what that says. Dictation send information like your voice input, contact, and location to Apple when necessary for processing your request. Then go ahead and click on Enable. Once you hit the Enable button, exit this page. Then go ahead and open any messaging app to open your keyboard. Once the keyboard is open, then you should see the voice to text here. Now to use it, press it, add it button for A. See that? So if you come here and you want to use the voice to text, good morning, it's a beautiful morning, and this is how to use voice to text on iPhone. So I just showed you how to turn it on right away. So you can see, to disable it, just click on it to stop it. So that is exactly how to fix voice to text missing and not working on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.